Caregivers in Ontario unite for meaningful changes to the Live-in Caregiver program. In its second annual conference, 3 pagbabago ang isinusulong nila bilang sagot sa problemang hinaharap ng mga caregivers ngayon. Hidalgo-Rebanal tells us more.
18 organizations of Filipino caregivers met at the second annual conference of the First Ontario Alliance of Caregivers Canada. They are pushing for changes to the Live-in Caregiver program, such as a faster process to obtain permanent residency, making the live-in process optional, and to consider caregivers as skilled and not low-skilled workers.
To reduce or to eliminate yung abuses and exploitation that is going on or nagiging practice ng employer between employee and employer. Marami po tayong live-in caregiver, nag-apply po tayo sa programa na ito, but highly qualified po tayo. Nagkaroon po tayo ng training, nakatapos tayo ng pag-aaral, bachelor's, master's, and they came as live-in caregiver program. So, to remove that and to change that into a skilled worker is malaki pong bagay na ma-attain ng caregiver kasi ma-boost po ang moral nila. Pinapabilis po natin ang processing ng permanent residence kasi po naniniwala tayo na ang pagkakaisa ng pamilya is very vital.
FOAC Chairperson Terry Olaite, an advocate for the past 25 years, passionately rallied the caregivers towards a united cause. Improved working conditions.
What is the real issue? Do you think that the government will grant what we want when we ourselves are not converted? Do you think that the government will listen to us when we are not united? Now is the time.
Caregivers in attendance shared their experiences and completed surveys to collect data that would give their demands more credibility in the eyes of the government.
And we have to be reasonable with our reasonable. Yes, reasonable, backed up by substantial documentation and evidence widely to rationalize our proposals.
Organizers and participants also presented a position paper to Member of Parliament Mark Adler, who is supportive of the cause.
My friends, I'm so happy to be here today. As you know, I'm very close with the Filipino community. Mabuhay! We're all one big family.
Olaite received a medal for her significant contributions to the improvement of caregivers' rights, a positive sign of this movement's bright future. Hidalgo-Rebanal, ABS-CBN News, Toronto.